Hey guys, welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. Have a couple of show reminders for this coming weekend. Amanda and I will be going to one of them, so I'm hoping I'll see a number of you at that one. Also, I want to do a little bench talk with you. I want to extend some gratitude, so let's get to it. First up, some show reminders for this coming weekend, September 27th for Saturday. The first one is the FallCon 25. This is hosted by the Fast Tracks Raceway and Hobby Shop and the North Carolina IPMS Race City IPMS group. I've been to this show a few times and I've always had a good time. Great vendors. The theme for it this year is It Came from Hollywood. Special theme award, any subject matter seen in TV or movie. I have actually got something that'll fit this category that I totally forgot about, so I'm pulling that out and I'm going to dust that off and take it up there to support the gang. It will be at the Charles Mack Center at 202 North Church Street in Mooresville, North Carolina. If you're in the North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia area, I'm hoping, or Eastern Tennessee, hope you guys can make this show. Like I said, I've been to this one before, and the guys do an absolutely great job. A lot of great stuff and vendors. I talked to Matthew with Model Car Videos, MCV Products. He's going to be a vendor there. So I'm looking forward to scooping up some stuff from Matt while I'm there, as well as whatever treasures I can run across. If you want some of the entry forms, all that kind of stuff, you can go over to the Facebook page to Fast Track Hobbies or IPMS Race City Modelers. I printed mine off the Fast Tracks Facebook page, and that way you can already have those ready when you get there. So hopefully we will see you there. Next up, this one is the Y-City Scale Modelers, their 26th annual. Also Saturday, new location, Colony Square Mall. This is in Zanesville, Ohio. And I'd mentioned before that I have actually family in Zanesville. And there's your location information. The event location is Colony Square Mall at 3575 Maple Avenue, Zanesville, Ohio. So if you're in western Pennsylvania, that part of Ohio, northern West Virginia, any of that stuff, hey, head on over, support these clubs. And I say it often, but guys, if we want to keep having shows, we need to support the ones when they come up. More information you can get right there on their Facebook page at Y-City Scale Modelers. And I was trying to say, and oh yeah, the theme for this one is actually kind of cool. I hadn't thought about this, but song related. For example, models to reflect a song title or lyrics. For example, Little Deuce Coupe, Mustang Sally, Hot Rod Lincoln, Mercury Blues, Pink Cadillac, Little Red Corvette, things like that. It's kind of a cool one. I've never thought of that one, but really cool. And there's a list of your categories and all the rules. Everything else you'll need to know, like I said, just head over to the Y-City Scale Modelers Facebook page. Okay, guys, that's it. Now I'm going to turn the camera back around, and I have some thank yous that I want to extend to you guys and explain why. Stick around. Over the last 7-8 days, I have received an unusual amount of views to some older videos, some of them between 2 and 4 years old, as well as a lot of comments. And I looked at my analytics, and this is more than usual. Don't know where this has all come from, but I also know that from time to time I'll discover a new modeling channel, whether it's automotive or whatever, that gets my attention, and I'll binge watch some of their videos. And I don't know if that's what's going on. I have no clue. But I know the comments are from folks that I don't recognize the names. Maybe they're new subscribers or just watching and making some nice comments or asking questions. And I truly, truly appreciate that. You know, 4 years ago when I started this channel, I had no idea that I'd have over 8,000 subscribers as of now, and that the content would be apparently pretty well received. And I'm very grateful for that. I did this in retirement, just to have some fun, have something to do, and to share. And let me tell you, if you're thinking about starting a channel, guys, for me, the treasure is you. Because so many of you I would not have known, whether it's in person, meeting at shows like Atlanta. I meet a lot of people. In NL East, I met with people that are subscribers that I've never had the opportunity to meet before. And at every single show that I go to, hey, Hobby Dude, I'm here from here, or I'm from there, and I watch your channel, all that stuff. The friendships that we develop is one of the biggest reasons I go to shows. Is, as I've mentioned before, is the friendships. Yes, the models are important. What we share in common as the hobby goes, whether it's a detailing, whatever it is, out of box, doesn't matter. We have a shared love for this hobby, and to meet people like-minded and with a genuine heart of friendship, it's been absolutely awesome. And I know some of you from different parts of the world, as well as other parts of the country. We may never meet in person, and we don't know that either. But we also share that even online we have friendships, and those I treasure greatly. And something I don't say, as I thought about this, and I thought about this video, I thought, you know what, I don't say enough, or often enough anyway, is thank you. Thank you very, very much to all of these folks that are making comments, that are subscribers, that are, even if you're not subscribed, your comments mean the world. They're very encouraging to keep going. Your thumbs ups, all of that stuff is a great encouragement. And guys, it is appreciated more than you know. I truly hope that someday we can meet up at a show somewhere. I do want to expand as far as our travels and stuff go, being retired. And who knows? We never know. But at the big shows, I look forward to next month in Atlanta. I know I've already heard from people that are going to be making their first trip there that are content creators and subscribers. So I am so looking forward to actually being able to put a face with those names, because it does mean a lot. But guys, I'll let you know that I truly, truly love you, and I do. But thank you. Like I said, I don't think I say that enough. It is noticed, appreciated, and deeply felt. So we do appreciate you very much. Amanda and I both, when we meet you, she's been just blown away by people that will hug her. So it's a lot of fun for her, and I am so grateful that I have such a supportive partner in life that supports this hobby too. All right, guys, that's it. And once again, thank you. Thank you, thank you very, very much. We do love you, and God's richest blessings, guys. We will see you, hopefully, some of you this weekend, and God bless. Take care, guys.